This is a short vowel sound. It's pronounced O. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. O. O. Now here are some words which have this vowel sound. Lot, odd, wash. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Lot, odd, wash. Good.